Welcome to Sawdust and Cornbread. I'm Laura Lee. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like the video and to subscribe to the channel. I put out new material every week. Today I just wanted to sit down and have a casual discussion with you because I am so grateful. You guys are amazing. I'm just a normal person, just like you, just like Joe next door. And I never dreamed that I would have a YouTube channel. And I never dreamed that this soon it would be an official monetized channel on YouTube. And I could not have done that without you. I appreciate each and every one of you. We have over 1,000 subscribers. I think it was like 1,123, something like that, the last time I checked. And the video where I cleaned the couch had over 121,000 views. That is just something else. I'm so glad that you found it helpful. Well, I have some exciting news. I am so excited and happy and pleased. My husband, way back when I started the channel, not way back, but 6 months ago when I began the channel, my husband, I joked with him and said, okay, when I get 100 subscribers, will you be on there with me? And he's like, not 100, but 1,000. And we did it in less than 6 months. So here soon, I am going to be doing a special Wednesdays Why with my husband. We want to answer some questions. That means we need some questions. So be sure to comment in the comment section below any questions that you have about our family, about projects, anything you want to do. One idea I have is for us to share the top 10 strange things about our family. Our family is a little weird and you might find that interesting. These are things that some of our closest friends don't even know about us. So let me know if you think that's a good idea. I may put out a survey just to get a feel for what you would like to see. Another thing is the story of how we met. That's pretty interesting as well. If you have any ideas besides the strange things about us or how we met, let me know in the comments below. And sometime here soon, to celebrate that 1,000 subscriber threshold, my husband and I will sit down and just chat and have a good time with you. I'm really excited about that. And also, I'm hoping within the next couple of weeks before Christmas to have some time with one of my daughters who is very talented. They're both very talented and artistic and crafty, and we're just so blessed. But one of my daughters has agreed that she would like to sit down with me and make some ornaments. When the girls were younger, we made these little, they're clothespin, the old-fashioned one-piece wooden clothespin people ornaments, and we made people from around the world. I'll show you a few of those right now as I'm talking. But there are all kinds of nationalities. The wardrobe, the costuming, we did research on each one to get it as authentic as we could. We had so much fun creating these. We even created a look-alike clothespin doll for each and every member of our family and gave that to them one Christmas. That was so fun, and a lot of them still have them. It's neat because some of those family members are no longer with us here on earth, and the spouses have that clothespin doll as a little reminder to hang on their tree each year. So it's a really neat gift idea. We'll sit down with you, have some hot cocoa, make ornaments, and do a live chat. So when that happens, I'll put it up as a premiere so you can join us and actually interact during that live chat. We'll have cocoa, maybe some cookies, and you can sit down with us and relax, and we'll just talk about making these little dolls. As you're going about your business on this holiday season, it is so busy, I know. We have performances, plays, our whole family is musical, so we have several performances, plays, concerts, and that kind of thing to go to, on top of all of the hustle and bustle of getting ready for Christmas and buying gifts, wrapping, packing, thinking of the food that we need to prepare, gathering the ingredients, tackling the crazy crowd at the stores, paying for overpriced items. We have to slow down and remember what the season's all about. My dad gave me very important advice. It didn't seem like much at the time, and I have mentioned it before when I was making the mantle, the floating mantle for our living room here that has stockings on it now. I'm so excited we have a place to hang our stockings. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link up above. But my dad used to say we would get all excited, we'd be decorating the Christmas tree and putting ornaments and tinsel and everything all over it. And my dad would say, slow down. You need to take a step back and look at the tree from a distance. And begrudgingly, we would all back up and take a look at the tree. And from a distance, I could see where there were big empty spaces in the tree. We may have clusters of ornaments all together in one spot and then big empty vacant spots all over the tree. So then we could one at a time take an ornament and take it to that empty spot and fill it up to make the tree look more even. Don't forget to do that this holiday season. Take a step back. Don't get so caught up in being busy and doing all the things that you forget to look at the big picture. Take a minute to look at your children's or your grandchildren's faces. Take a look at your spouse, give them a hug and a kiss, and enjoy the moment you're in. Time goes by so quickly. Family and friends do leave this earth. I appreciate each and every one of you more than you know. I feel like I have an extended family now. And I do think about you. Those of you who comment regularly, I know your names. And when I don't see your name there for a while, I actually do get concerned. And I'll say a prayer for you and think about you until I hear from you again. It really encourages me that so many of you are interested in the things that I'm doing. And I'm interested in the things that you're doing. So be sure to comment. Like this video, subscribe to the channel so that we're sure we see each other every week when I put out new content. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next week.